The real estate market is just like hunting, and Imtilak Real Estate hunts the opportunities. Now we have a very special project just in the middle of Istanbul in Sisli. Let me give you more information. The project is on 6,000 square meters land area, 4 blocks, 127 apartments, different styles, 1+1 until 4+1, and duplexes. Let me tell you, by the way, that this number of apartments is very good and very suitable according to other projects in this area. The project doesn't have social facilities, unfortunately, but the second stage that will be next to it will have social facilities, so the residents here will be able to use them. What do you think? What does a strategic location means? It means that you are just next to the Bosphorus Bridge, and also you have a metro station that goes directly to Yenikapı and also goes directly to the new airport. So it's called like easy access to anywhere to Istanbul because you are just in the center. What else an investor would need? A strategic location is the best. The delivery of this project will be within 8 months. So if you're keen on investing, this is your right moment to invest because the prices right now is far better than the ones will be at the delivery date. Contact Imtilak Real Estate to have more information, and trust me, this is the right investment.